Friday, Friday, Friday. Quick little jaunt over to the ponds on the electric. Because gas prices suck. This is better than no ride at all. Really have no idea what I'm doing.
Alright guys, so here we go. Out at the ponds, out in White City, Hoover Ponds to be exact. Yeah, riding the electric bike 2 days in a row. Surron life, right? I mean, let's be honest, gas prices are pretty ridiculous. So you try to save money where you can, right? That being said, I've had this bike since 2020. I got it because it looked like fun. Electric is coming whether we like it or not. And honestly, I kind of enjoy it. It's a fun bike to ride. I'm not going to tell you that it's going to replace my gas bikes anytime soon, but I don't know, maybe it is with the way gas prices are. Just out here trying to turn in some laps here and there. Just have a little fun, get a little workout. Try to remember how to balance on two wheels, you know. Haven't been doing a lot of riding lately, and I apologize for that. But I don't know. Maybe there'll be a lot more electric dirt bike stuff on the channel. I do enjoy riding the Surron. I'd like to get a full-size electric, just see what it's about. What's everybody think of the Stark Varg? I mean, sounds cool. A little bit that I've learned on electric bikes is I really would like a gearbox and a clutch. Maybe just one or two gears and a clutch to disengage the drivetrain, disengage that rear tire from the motor. I don't know, that's just me.
So this isn't a bad way to spend the evening. Go out and get an hour's worth of riding. So bone stocks are on. Kind of fun. Something to do. I mean, since I can't hardly afford to ride my dirt bikes anymore. Still definitely wish it had a clutch. That'd be way better. But it doesn't, so it is what it is.
So the Surron, I kind of bought this just to test out the whole electric dirt bike idea, and I think it's pretty solid. I think it's fun. Definitely has its place. I can ride pretty hard for about an hour. Still had plenty of juice to get me back to the house. And I'm pretty heavy for the bike, really. With all loaded up with everything in the backpack and work boots and everything, I'm sure I'm over 200 pounds. But the bike pulls me just fine. The rear shock is pretty good. You know, obviously I'm not out catching a lot of air. It's not really my thing anymore, but the fork's not great. If I really had to complain about something, it would be that front fork. I pretty much have the compression back all the way off on it. Just a little bit of rebound damping, and I don't know, it's just not very good, but good enough. I paid less than $4 grand for the bike brand new, and I enjoy riding it. I don't put a lot of miles on it, but I do use it. It's good practice.
Alright, down to 55% after all that. And it beat you enough to where pretty much tired. I mean, the suspension isn't all that good, so you know, you feel most of the bump. Probably doesn't help that I'm in work boots either, you know. But I don't feel like putting all the gear on when I'm riding this. Still a good time though. I think you have to do all the work for the bike. Not all the work, but a lot of it. It's over here now.
But yeah, the pond's not a great place to ride dirt bikes, but I actually grew up riding here. Started riding out here when I was 12 years old. It's where I learned how to ride dirt bikes. Taught my kids how to ride dirt bikes here. It's not bad. It's fun for the most part, but you kind of run out of stuff to keep you busy and keep you challenged pretty quick. But on the Surron, a little electric dirt bike, it's kind of a challenge to get through some of the bumps and ruts and try to stay out of the ponds. It's pretty fun for the most part. I have to say I felt pretty satisfied at the end of the day. Felt like I put in some work, had some fun. It's worthwhile. I know this video is going to be long. I know most people aren't going to be really interested in watching me ride out the ponds on an electric dirt bike, but if you watch this, I appreciate it. If not, it is what it is. But until next time, I think I'm out.
Well, that's it for today. It's been fun the last couple days, getting out on the moped. I think I need bar risers. Don't want to put a bunch of money into this thing. I don't really ride it that much. And I mean, it's fun to dink around on, but definitely not funner than a real dirt bike, and probably not funner than a mountain bike. I don't know, kind of a toss-up, just different type of riding. She's definitely tired.